Hello, this is Vijay, your drawing teacher, wishing you all a very blissful and energetic day. In this video, you can learn how to draw Mahatma Gandhi in three different methods. Children, learning is a continuous process. Even I can't come and teach you here without learning anything. A famous saying of Charlie Chaplin is there, a day without laughter is a day wasted. You have to change it as a day without learning is a day wasted. Okay? Come on, let us start the video.
First method, at starting, draw 6 like this in slant direction, leave some gap and draw a 0, leave some gap and draw another 0, leave some gap and draw another 6 in reverse direction like this. Now inside these zeros, draw eyes like this. Now draw 2 lines and draw a big curve to make the head of Gandhiji, and draw wrinkles on the forehead, and at the center draw the nose, here draw the mustache, and 2 curved lines for lips, and 2 curved lines to the opposite sides here, and draw the chin. Now this is the shawl of Gandhiji. See how beautifully Gandhiji can be drawn. For coloring, use peach color for skin tone. If you don't have peach color, you can use yellow color also. And for the cloth part, you can use light blue. See how beautifully we can complete Gandhiji's portrait. Now let's start the second method. At first, draw number 2 in big size. While drawing number 2, leave space here for the ear of Gandhiji and complete number 2. At starting here, you have to draw 0. And within this 0, draw another 2 in slant direction like this. And draw another 0 here. And now draw a straight line. Now draw the ear in this left out part. After completing the ear, draw the eyebrows. Draw eyes inside these zeros. Now complete the nose and draw the mustache here and a curved line for lips, and now the chin, and now the shawl part of Gandhiji. After completing the shawl, draw 2 wrinkles on the forehead of Gandhiji. See, now the Gandhiji's portrait is completed. Now going to the coloring part, use peach color for skin tone and light blue color for shawl, and you can make 2 scratches on spectacles. See how beautifully we have completed the portrait. Now the third method. This method is little tricky. First you have to draw a X like this and draw 2 slant lines to the top edges of the X like this. Now draw a big curve and join these 2 lines like this. Now draw the ears. The ears should start from the center of this head and make a center point here. From this center point, draw the nose of Gandhi. After completing the nose, at the center, draw 2 dots like this, 2 rounds, and complete the eye. After drawing the eyes, draw the spectacles of Gandhiji. Draw 2 rounds like this, 2 round shapes like this, and join these 2 lines to make the spectacles. Now draw the eyebrows and draw two curves and draw the mustache here. Now draw these curves here and two curved lines for the lips, and below the eyes draw two wrinkles. You have to draw more wrinkles to make the Gandhi face realistic, like a old age person. Now draw the chin here and draw some wrinkles on the forehead of Gandhiji, like this. Now complete the ears. Now this is the shawl part of Gandhi. See how beautifully you have completed the Gandhi portrait. Now for the coloring part, use peach color for the skin tone. If you don't have peach color, you can use yellow also, and light blue for cloth part and on the spectacles and mustache also. Like this, you can draw Gandhiji portrait in 3 different methods.